Hello and welcome to tutorial class number 4 of Canva. In this video I will show you that how you can make a certificate for your academy, for your school, for your institute easily. Okay, no need to do any hard work or no need to take any tension. Just in a minute I will show you that how you can make it easily. Okay, so click on the certificate template and here you can see that the certificate template has been opened. Now just same as the CV, resume and the logos or the mobile or video I make also. So in there you just make a need to take changes. So here will also I just take any changes. I will change the name like the certificate for the graphic designing to whom you make the certificate. So suppose I put the John Cena, that this certificate is belong to the John Cena for the graphic designing, but I know that John Cena is a famous wrestler, but it's just a tutorial, so I will just put the name because he is also a star. And from here you can also that for the achievement in the participating in the 2022 design graphic designing, I will change for this achievement and I will change from here in the participating. Okay, I will cut it for better performance in the 2022 design graphic design. Okay, here I will also change the name of the supervisor, like the Alexander will be the supervisor of the institute who give the certificate to the John Cena, and Undertaker will be for the operation VP. Okay, so you can see now that the certificate has been made, and here you can change the color, you can also change the template, you can also make a video, short video, review video also. And look at this, from here you can do all the thing whatever you want, okay, easily and quickly. So in a very short period of time your certificate has been created. In the Canva you can do all the thing. I will also make a lot of video on Canva about the YouTube thumbnail, that how you can make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva, and a lot of thing you just do it with Canva. Okay, so if you like the video then please subscribe our channel for more videos. I will also upload a lot of video related to your work and related to Canva and your design. So this video help you, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video, and bye.